In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in Microsoft Planner. Labels are a simple but very useful way to organize your tasks visually. They can help you quickly identify categories, priorities, teams, workflows, or any other grouping system you want to use inside a plan. If your board is starting to feel crowded, labels make it much easier to scan tasks at a glance and understand what each one is related to. To get started, go to your plan board in Microsoft Planner. This is the main board where your tasks are displayed, usually organized into buckets or columns. Before making any changes, it helps to take a quick look at the tasks already on the board so you can decide which one you want to update with a label. Once you're on the board, click on the task you want to work with. This will open the Task Details panel, where you can view and edit more information about that specific task. If you're new to Planner, this panel is where many of the task settings live, such as notes, due dates, assignments, and of course, labels. After the task details are open, click on Add Label. This is the area where Microsoft Planner lets you apply one or more labels to the task. Labels are designed to make your task easier to categorize, and they're especially helpful when multiple people are working in the same plan and need a shared way to sort or recognize tasks quickly. Next, choose from the available options. You'll see different label choices that you can apply to the task. Select the one that best fits what the task represents. Depending on how your team uses Planner, these labels might stand for things like urgency, department, project phase, or task type. The important thing is to stay consistent so labels remain useful across the whole board. Once selected, the label will be attached to the task, making it easier to spot later. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your work is organized. As a quick tip, try using labels in a way that supports your team's workflow rather than creating too many categories. Keeping the system simple usually makes Planner more effective and easier for everyone to understand. And that's how to use labels in Microsoft Planner. When used well, labels can make your plan board more organized, more readable, and much easier to manage day to day.